Hey guys, what's going on? Just want to update with you guys another video. This will be a Thursday video. So without further ado, let me get in. So before I start, make sure you like and subscribe. Much appreciated. I want to keep at least getting a couple subscribers a day. It just makes me want to keep doing videos like this. Also, hit the comments below. Let me know your thoughts on these stocks and if I'm thinking crazy or whatnot. So without further ado, best low risk stocks. So if you haven't watched my previous videos, I'm a long-term investor. So basically what I like doing is I like buying in good stocks and holding them for years. So I feel like that's the best way to compound long-term wealth. I'm not a big penny trader guy. I'm not a big option trader, day trader, swing trader. So if you haven't watched any of my other videos, that's not really what I preach and what I believe in long term. I feel like those other ways can get you, as fast as you can hit something and get really rich in 10x and 100x, you can lose it that fast. So it goes both ways, where I feel like long-term investing is really the way to go. So what do I consider a low-risk stock? The best low-risk stock? They got to be growing year over year. They got to perform better. They can't get stagnant. They can't hit their plateau. They got to keep constantly growing. They got to have a really strong balance sheet, and they got to have a really good management team. Those are really the big three things for success in a company, in my opinion. They got to have all three of those things. So the first stock I want to talk about is Facebook. So I know there's a lot of controversy that was going on about 6 months to a year ago, where they were, basically they wanted Facebook to get broken up into different things because they were monopolizing too much, basically. So that was a rumor, and well, not a rumor. I mean, they were trying to make it happen, but long story short, the old administration was trying to target this more than the new. So I think they kind of have a pass right now, and it's really something I feel like you don't have to worry about. So that's why I consider it growing, strong balance sheet, and great management, obviously. I mean, they kill the space they're in. What do they own? Obviously, that's semi-new. They own WhatsApp, Oculus, Facebook Messenger's new, the Facebook Marketplace. I heard rumors that they're actually going to do something to try to compete with Amazon and have like an e-com third-party store to like sell products, something like that. Kind of like how Walmart has one, Amazon has one. I heard they were trying to make something out and work that, which is awesome. That's just going to add more dollar signs to their business. So obviously Zuckerberg knows what he's doing, like him or hate him. He's got a really good team, one of the best balance sheets in the world, in my opinion. Constantly growing, constantly innovating. So yeah, I didn't realize I did this. I'm sorry. Balance sheet is insane, right? It's $1 trillion. They're in the $1 trillion club, so that's insane for nowadays. But I could see them having multiple of trillions of dollars in the next 5 to 10 years if they keep executing, which I think they will. They have no threats. I mean, if you really think about it, who is a threat to Facebook? You could argue Pollard, that was up for a little bit, then just got shut down and destroyed, and they're done. So that was maybe their only threat, but yeah, now they're done. And they will not get broken up. I mean, that's basically why I think Facebook is one of the best low risk, great stocks to invest in. The second one is if you guys watch, it's Dropbox. If you guys watch my previous videos, I have 4 stocks in 2021 that I track weekly, monthly, and then year to date. So basically, Dropbox is one of the 4 I'm super bullish on this year as a growth stock that I'm constantly adding position, whenever I feel like there's a good buying opportunity. I actually haven't bought Dropbox in the past 6 weeks or 8 weeks at this point, so I haven't made a video of when I'm going to buy, but I think there's going to be something happening in the market soon where there might be a really good buying opportunity in general, not just on Dropbox, just buying opportunities in general. So I'm staying very cash heavy right now. I have probably 30-40% cash on the sideline right now, so I'm just being patient. So when you're long-term investing, that's another thing. You have to be patient. You can't just be like, oh, I have money. What's a good stock to buy right this second? Like, you kind of gotta, go with the flow and be patient when you pick stocks, especially if you're doing long-term investing. You want to make sure you get a good value when you buy in. So what are they? They're cloud-based. They have e-signing. They're definitely like a next generation thing. They're the future. They have a great management team. Just all around a good company. I feel like they're a little disrespected right now. Just, you know, it's just how it is. But yeah, so I just feel like this is a great company. So do I own either of these stocks? Obviously I said Dropbox I'm adding this year. Facebook I do own too. My average cost base right now on Facebook is $175.33. So I'm up 56% off the current evaluation of $273. Would I buy this stock right now? Me personally, because I have a nice position built out and I'm 56% up. I'm in long-term capital gains, which is great already. At this evaluation, I am personally not going to buy, but if you're watching this video and want to start a position with Facebook, I think buying at 273 or anywhere in that ballpark is not a bad idea. Where I would rebuy Facebook, if it goes anywhere between 200 and like 225, I'll probably add to my position, cost up. So that's fine to do if you like the valuation. It just takes a correct, like just if the market takes a big correction or a rebalance or something like that, and it drops, 20%, I'm all about, adding more shares and then, just adding more to my position. So that's what I would do. So if you don't have a position, it's not bad to buy now in case it doesn't do this. If it does do this, I will be buying around that price, most likely. Dropbox, I do own that too. My cost base is 2017 right now. So I'm up 19%. I keep constantly I started buying the stock maybe 8-9 months ago, and I think I was buying it at like 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'm just driving up my cost base because I like this stock the more and more I see it. When earnings comes out, I really like everything comes out. So currently they're at $24.10, I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm up 19%. So it's, that's great. Where would I buy this? I would buy it anywhere under 25 personally, maybe 26. So right now is a good buy. Just like Facebook, I kind of positioned myself out right now to have a lot of shares or really where I'm comfortable being at right now. If it goes below my cost base, my average cost base of $20, I'll buy more most likely. But again, if you don't have a position in Dropbox, it's not a bad time to buy either right now. So really both these stocks, if you're not in them, not a bad time to buy, build a position. I would keep adding in this one to 25 depending on how much you want to hold in your portfolio. Facebook is a top 5 stock for me, and Dropbox is probably a top 3 at this point. So I'm really going heavy on Dropbox right now. So that's all I got. Make sure, again, you like, subscribe, comment below. The subscribe button is in the corner over there. Much appreciated. Just shows that you guys like these videos. And that's all I got. Peace.